Sparkle Squad. I wanted to show you a light that I got to replace one of my previous clip-on lights. It's an LED light, and this will hold my iPhone on this side right here, and then this is the LED light, and it has 3 different settings, like a warm, a cool, and then kind of an in-between, and you can also dim it and brighten it. This is from a company called UB Size. It's a Selfie ring light, and I will put a link to this in my description below in case you're interested in this. This was a pink one, so you know me in pink. I really wanted to do that. And this little booklet came with it, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward as far as just clipping it to a surface, which I'm going to clip here on my table. And I'm going to use this photo backdrop. It's a fabric, and I'm going to just clip that on so it doesn't scratch my desk up. Although it does have foam backing there on the clip, so it's not like the metal is going to be directly touching, but still. So anyway, I will leave a link below to this, and then I want to clip it to the table and then show you when I have everything plugged up into the cell phone how it looks because of the different lighting. Right now I'm holding my phone, but this actually has a clip that I can open up and put my cell phone in here so that you don't see the phone anymore and you don't see this, but you can get a bird's eye view of what I'm doing on my table. It's a little bit easier for me to situate, and then this light changes colors, and this moves around. The arms move around, they're adjustable. Both of them are for the light as well as the phone clip, and then you can kind of maneuver and bend it around however you want. But I have this clipped to my table. I have a double-sided fabric in my blue and pink colors that match my Sparkle by Monica branding. I have that laying on top of my wooden table so that when I put the clip on, I don't feel like it's going to hurt my table. It helps me keep my little fabric situated in one place and doesn't move around. I do have a new selfie ring light in addition to this pink one that I got, and it actually changes colors. So like red, green, blue. I haven't used it yet, but that's coming. I'm fixing to film going into my 2021 planner, and I wanted to show you the setup that I have for that so that you know how you can do one of these selfie ring light clips to help you out. So this actually plugs up by a USB cord, and my computer is over here to my left, so it's very convenient that way. But if you have a USB, I think it's like a power box, power source, or whatever those are, power ports, you could do that and then have that positioned wherever you want to, or just plug it directly into your computer if you're sitting close by like I am. Then of course you can adjust the lighting with the little control panel here on the cord itself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the light while I've got the phone off of it. So this lit up button is for the power, so it just turned on my light. And then the other button here in the middle with the little arrows, that actually controls the temperature. So right now it's like a warm light. There's a cool, and then there is like a daylight or daytime light. So, I mean, it's really cool. And then you have the plus and minus so that you can dim it or brighten it. You can move these little arms. They bend all sorts of directions. You can turn this light. It's very flexible. So that goes for not just the LED light, but also what I'm going to put the phone into. Alright, so it's very smooth as far as being able to put it into the cell phone clip. And then I can move all over the place. You can see I can turn it different directions. So this is very pliable, very flexible. It can do whatever you want. Right now I've got it straight up in front of my face. And then the light, I've just kind of got it bent over here. But what I want to do is have the light behind the camera. It picks up better lighting with the light above and behind your iPhone. The light is on. I'm going to turn it off. It's all dark. The light's back on. I think this is the daytime light. Now this is the warm light, and then that is the cool light. So you've got 3 different settings of light, however it looks best as far as what you're filming. And I really appreciate it, especially when I do a lot of nighttime filming. Also, because I can bend the arms and everything, it's great for however I'm positioned. If I'm at a table, now I want to be able to see the screen with me sitting in the chair. So here is the little pamphlet, UB Size Selfie Ring Light. And of course, you can go to Amazon via my link down below in the description. That is my referral link, and I appreciate anyone that uses those links because it helps me out just a little bit with my crafting supplies and my video equipment and all of that, as it is an affiliate link. But it's very plug and play, ready to go. This is a couple of different shades of teal in the beadwork here on this box, and it's a white box. So I'm going to just change the colors here of the light, or the temperature, I'm sorry, of the light. So that, I think, is the daytime. No, this is the cool, I believe. And this is the warm. And then that is that one's the one I like the best with this particular box. But you can see the true color right here of the beadwork in this graphic. And that's what I'm going to use to actually film my video. Now, if I were outside, or if I were in a different lighting scenario, in a different room, you know, I would choose one of these other settings. But this one, UB size selfie ring light in pink, I love it. And I am going to have fun recording with a pink light instead of the old dry black one that broke. So this was a different company and had a lot of good reviews. The other one I loved. It was just exactly like this, except it wasn't pink. Black one that I had, it lasted about 2 years, but this mechanism for the phone broke. Just like a metal ball, and the little, whatever this is, the adjuster, the plastic adjuster left. This, you just could not get it to stay on there because the plastic clip broke. This is the first time I saw a pink one, so I had to get it. I'm looking forward to using this year, and hopefully this will last me more than 2 years. They're fairly inexpensive. If you are interested in this product, I will link it below in my description. If you have any questions for me, just leave me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this content. Share with any of your jewelry making friends that might enjoy this. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so, and leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and have a sparkle-rific day, y'all. Bye!